good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fritzy, and today is Vlogmas Day 7. I'm not sure what this day has in store, but come along with me. Let's see where this day takes us. For breakfast, we have Cheetos mac and cheese, corned beef, and fried rice. Also have spam. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Let's have breakfast.
Yeah. Show them your tumbler, Mom.
Here.
She loves Snoopy. Ta-da! Snoopy!
Merry Christmas.
Is making a baguette. Charat. She's making bagels. Let's make my morning coffee. We're gonna use Busy cold brew. Thank you, Isaac. And then I'm gonna add my sugar-free vanilla. You pass the milk. Please. And then today I'm gonna use whole milk because why not? I'm gonna go add this. Bandalon, coconut milk, rice flour. We're gonna try this pasalubong.
So, what was that you were saying that the part about her needing to be better at Christmas than anyone?
Oops.
So I will just be taking these headphones.
Let's try it. This is good.
But
I like this.
that's what made it so magical.